Psalm chapter 6. Don't don't punish me, Lord, or even correct me when you are angry. Have pity on me and heal my feeble body. My bones are trembled with fear, and I am in deep distress. How long will it be? Turn and come to my rescue. Show your wonderful love. Save me, Lord. If I die, I cannot praise you or even remember you. My groaning has worn me out. At night, my bed and pillows are soaked with tears. Sorrow has made my eyes dim, and my sight are faint because of my enemies. You, Lord, heard my crying. Those hateful people had better leave me alone. You have answered my prayers and my plea for mercy. My enemies are ashamed and terrified as they quickly run away and complete disgrace.